So here we are. Catherine is going to show us how she does her serviettes for Christmas.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oops, sorry.
I just had a flashback to you practicing with your clarinet.
Wait. That's what I'd say. Or,
Wait.
Wait, that wasn't perfect. My God.
In a room by herself.
I know, I'd be talking to myself about it.
Megan's busy doing her Christmas card label list for the 4th time. We're all praying the system
They'll come out
does
before
not
New Year's?
crash.
Yeah, no.
And so you'll get your card before New Year's.
You're way ahead of
In the
me.
new year.
Beautiful.
Well, you know, you can fancy them up better.
Okay. Right. Thank you for that.